Hi everyone. Today, I'm sharing 14 must-have Amazon home organization products that will help you declutter and organize your space effortlessly. These are all unique products that you don't see every day. Make sure to stick around until the end for my favorite at number 14. This slim storage cart is designed to transform tight spaces into functional storage areas. It comes equipped with 360-degree rotating wheels, allowing it to be moved effortlessly to any corner of the house, from the bathroom to the kitchen or even narrow hallways. The cart's multiple compartments and side hoops provide ample storage space for toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, or small office items. Made of high-quality plastic, this cart is sturdy and built to last while also being lightweight and easy to assemble without additional tools. It features a mesh hollow design at the bottom that ensures items stay dry and clean, making it perfect for damp areas like bathrooms or laundry rooms. This laundry separation basket simplifies the process of sorting dirty laundry. It comes with removable, color-coded inner compartments that make it easy to separate whites, darks, and delicates without needing multiple hampers. It's built with sturdy, durable materials and features ventilated sections that help prevent odors. The handles on each compartment make it convenient to lift and carry directly to the washing machine. This basket not only keeps your laundry routine organized but also frees up space, making your laundry area neat and clutter-free. This wall-mounted organizer offers the benefit of keeping your cleaning tools and gadgets within easy reach while reducing clutter. It can be expanded to fit mops, brooms, and other cleaning tools of varying sizes. Its non-slip grips ensure items stay in place, while hooks provide space for smaller tools or towels. Crafted from durable materials, this organizer is built to handle regular use and withstand weight without damage. Perfect for laundry rooms, garages, or utility closets, it's easy to install and helps maintain a streamlined space where everything has its place. This shoe storage bench is a great way to keep your entryway tidy while offering a comfy spot to sit as you put on your shoes. It comes with two flip-out drawers that can hold up to 12 pairs of shoes, keeping them out of sight but easy to reach. The bench has a padded cushion for a soft seat and is made from quality wood with a simple, modern design that fits well with any decor. Perfect for entryways, mudrooms, or hallways, this bench helps keep your space organized and mornings stress-free. This storage cart is ideal for organizing fruits, vegetables, and snacks in a tidy and visually appealing way. With its multi-tier design, it provides plenty of space for storing different types of produce without overcrowding your kitchen counters. The breathable mesh baskets ensure proper air circulation, keeping items fresher for longer. Made of durable metal with a sleek finish, it's sturdy enough to hold heavier produce. This cart is also equipped with wheels, so you can move it around easily and lock it in place. Great for kitchens, dining rooms, or even pantries, it's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their food storage solutions. These shelf dividers are an essential tool for turning cluttered closets into organized spaces. Designed to slide effortlessly onto standard shelves, they require no tools or screws and stay securely in place, making installation a breeze. These dividers are perfect for separating and stabilizing stacks of clothing, towels, or linens, preventing items from tipping over and creating defined spaces for different types of garments or accessories. With their simple, practical design, these dividers provide a subtle yet powerful way to keep your closet organized and items easy to find. These bedsheet organizers offer a practical way to store bulky bedding sets while maximizing closet space. With a large capacity, they can hold queen and king sheet sets, duvet covers, and more. The clear window on both sides makes it easy to identify the contents without rummaging through piles. Constructed from quality plastic, these organizers are foldable and stackable, making them convenient to store when not in use. They are perfect for anyone who struggles with organizing linen closets or wants to keep bed linens dust-free and easy to find. This retractable clothes drying rack is perfect for anyone needing extra drying space without sacrificing floor room. It features a tri-folding design that allows it to be fully extended when needed and folded flat against the wall when not in use. Built with a thick, sturdy base and made of space aluminum, it's highly durable, resistant to rust, and designed to support a substantial amount of weight. This rack works well in laundry rooms, balconies, or even bedrooms by windows. It's simple to install and comes with both drilled and adhesive options for versatility. These stackable storage containers are designed to maximize space while keeping items neatly stored and accessible. Made from durable plastic with bamboo lids, these containers are both practical and eco-friendly. The open front design allows you to grab items without removing the lid, making them ideal for high-traffic areas like the pantry or refrigerator. Each container has enough depth to store dry goods, baking supplies, or fresh produce. Their minimalist look fits well in modern kitchens and can also be used in bathrooms, offices, or craft rooms for organizing smaller items. This wall-mounted shower pump streamlines your bathing experience by eliminating bottle clutter. It features 3 compartments for soap, shampoo, and conditioner, each with an ergonomic T-bar lever for precise dispensing. The pump is made from rust-proof materials, ensuring it stays pristine over time. With a wide opening for easy refills and simple installation using double-sided tape, this dispenser makes your shower routine neat and organized. This smart organizer attaches beneath cabinets or shelves, adding hidden storage for spices and small containers. It keeps your countertops clear and your spices easily accessible while maximizing otherwise unused space. The design is sturdy, and the easy pull feature allows you to see your entire spice collection at a glance. This food storage set is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their food fresh and organized. It includes 12 airtight, freezer-safe containers and 12 matching lids. The key benefit of this set is its ability to keep your food fresh longer, thanks to the airtight silicone seal that prevents odors and moisture from entering. These containers are made from borosilicate glass, known for its durability and resistance to temperature extremes. They are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe, ensuring easy use and cleaning. The quality of the glass is exceptional, and the secure lids offer a leak-proof seal, so you can confidently pack soups or sauces without worrying about spills. The clear glass design makes it easy to see the contents without opening the container, which helps you stay organized. These containers are also freezer-safe down to -104 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for storing frozen meals. Whether you're meal prepping or simply storing leftovers, these containers provide a reliable and eco-friendly option that helps you keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh. This UnderSync Organizer is designed to tackle the under-sink chaos common in many homes. With a sliding bottom drawer, it allows you to reach items at the back without knocking everything over. It's made from reinforced steel tubes and ABS plastic, which provide durability and stability. The large capacity holds taller cleaning supplies or toiletries, making it ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. This organizer is easy to assemble and clean, making it a practical addition to any home. This clear acrylic organizer is designed to hold various sizes of Ziploc bags, from sandwich bags to gallon-sized ones. It fits neatly in a drawer or can be mounted on a wall, keeping your bags tidy and easily accessible. The transparent design makes it easy to see when you're running low, and it's so much more aesthetically pleasing than having loose boxes shoved into a drawer. And there you have it. Which of these products are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.